What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with NIA Body Kits, and today we're going to be installing the brand new rear spats on this brand new Lexus IS 2026 and up, so stay tuned. But first, let me tell you a little bit about NIA Body Kits.
At NIA, we design and build high-quality, handcrafted body kits right here in Miami, Florida. From sketches to screen, our founder Kevin works closely with our CAD designers to shape every detail by hand. Each piece is specifically designed for each model, thermoform for durability, and CNC cut to perfection. Our kits are made to bolt on in minutes with an exclusive reinforcement that guarantees durability and toughness. Every piece is hand-finished and available in primer, gloss black, color-matched options, and real carbon fiber. Before shipping, we paint correct each kit to ensure a flawless finish. Plus, our customer service team works alongside our engineers and designers to give you the best experience possible. Our kits are also guaranteed to ship out within weeks, not months. If you're looking for a premium, American-made body kit built with precision, NIA has you covered. Check us out at niaautodesign.com.
So a little bit about the new rear spats. All of them already come pre-drilled, ready to mount onto your car using your factory bolts and some support screws. Since we make everything to order, everything is made a la carte especially for you. We have different options. For example, you can get it in primer in case you want to paint it yourself. You could also get it color matched. Like for example, here we're doing the wind color. Or you can do gloss black where it matches your rear valence and all your trim on the car. Now, if you're looking for more of the exotic look, we also have them available in carbon fiber. And not just that, we have black carbon fiber. You could do a red carbon, blue carbon, and we could even do other colors. So send us a message in case you're interested in a different color.
Before beginning the installation of your NIA Lexus IS 2026 Plus rear spats, make sure you have all the necessary tools prepared. For this installation, you will need a drill equipped with a Phillips head bit and an angle drill attachment, a clip removal tool, and a stubby Phillips head screwdriver.
All right, so to install the NIA rear spats, we're gonna remove the factory clip that is located right here on the corner. Get your clip remover and get started. So we removed the factory clip, and now the clip that provided to you in your package, we're gonna reinstall it holding up the rear spat. So get the replacement clip that we sent to you and just mount it into the same place, just like that. Now that the clip is in place, grab the screws, and we're gonna self-tap into the bumper through the pre-drilled holes. I always like to start with the screw that's by the exhaust. This helps me align the piece where it needs to be. For example, right there. You're gonna self-tap into the bumper. And only halfway. That way you prevent from over-tightening it and stripping. One by the exhaust is done. Go towards the one in the center. Same thing. And lastly, we do the one by the wheel well. All right, once everything's secure, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thank you again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Lexus IS 2026 and up. If you have any questions, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share this with everybody. Thank you guys.